Your kitchen counter is prime real estate, and most of us are overcrowded with machines that only serve one purpose. You have the toaster sitting there for hours doing nothing. You have the air fryer taking up a massive corner. It is a cluttered mess. This Hamilton Beach air fryer and toaster oven combo acts like a jack of all trades that actually masters the work. It feels solid from the moment you take it out of the box. Most budget-friendly ovens feel thin and cheap. This one has a door hinge with a satisfying weight. It does not creak or feel like it might snap off after a month of heavy use. When you slide out the air fry basket, it feels like it was built to last. The performance is where the real value shows up. Most toaster ovens just move hot air around and pray for the best. This unit uses specific air circulation technology that truly crisps things up. Think about frozen fries or chicken wings. You want that crunch on the outside without the middle staying cold. This machine delivers that balance. It avoids those annoying burnt edges while the center stays raw. That even heat distribution is a massive win for a countertop unit. The controls are incredibly straightforward. You will not find any confusing menus or 100 tiny buttons here. It uses knobs and simple buttons that make sense. You can figure it out in seconds without looking at a manual. Even if you are not a gadget expert, you can get a meal started without any stress. The sound is another surprise. It is not whisper quiet, but it is not a jet engine either. It stays steady and does not vibrate across your counter while the fan is spinning. Cleanup usually feels like a chore, but the removable crumb tray and basket make it quick. You just slide them out, wipe them down, and you are done. Size is a factor to keep in mind. It has a footprint that requires some dedicated space. However, when you realize it replaces your standalone air fryer and your old toaster, the trade is worth it. It simplifies the whole cooking process. When you first set it up, make sure to find every single piece of tape and every hidden sticker. If you miss one, you will know it the second you turn the heat on. Place it on a heat-resistant surface and get to work. Give the food plenty of space in the basket. Overcrowding is the enemy of a good crisp. If the air cannot flow around the food, you lose that texture. Give the basket a quick shake halfway through the cook time. That ensures every side gets that golden brown finish. It is a workhorse that handles baking, toasting, and air frying without a single complaint. This is about reclaiming your kitchen space and getting better results at the same time. It is reliable, fast, and does exactly what it says on the box. Whether you are doing a batch of morning bagels or a plate of hot wings for a game, the results are consistent. You do not have to worry about cold spots or uneven browning. It just performs. This machine is for the person who wants efficiency without a steep learning curve. It fits into a busy lifestyle where you need food ready fast, but you still want it to taste like you put in some effort. You are getting a versatile tool that handles the daily grind with ease.